You know, one of the nice things about being retired is that I can dress any way I want to. So here I am in my ratty old T-shirt, um, enjoying life. Okay, well, the market is still in the correction phase, which is good for me. The all the options I've written and sold will expire at the close of business today. I expect HBI to close slightly above $7. I hope it does. The reason being is that way I will have about half of my HBI stock called away, which will bring my use of margin to zero. And of course, then I'll write put contracts. And I should be able to get a decent premium on a 750 contract. This weekend, when I do the settlement and place orders for next week, this time I'm going to record the screenshots. I'm assuming that everybody has a brokerage account, knows how to do options and whatnot. Selling covered options is so much more simple than trading options, because I always collect the premiums instead of paying them. As long as the market is not advancing rapidly, I'm doing well. If it's rapid, then I've got a problem, at least in the short term. But even in that worst case situation, my disadvantage is mitigated to some degree by the premiums I'm collecting. So sort of a win-win situation all the way around. But at any rate, I want to go through the steps for creating and selling covered stock options. And I'll do that in some detail this weekend. It'll be a rather long video, but if you're interested in how I go about it, the mechanics of it, that would be one you certainly want to watch. This morning, excuse me, the market's opening lower. I'm going to share those screens. Okay, this is from my YouTube page. Yahoo, not YouTube. Yahoo page. The last remaining vestige of Yahoo, actually. And they got this from Google. And Google abandoned this information. As you can see, HBI, which is the top of my wish list, is just above $7. The low, as you can see, was this morning after the open was $6.91. But a support level is going to be $7. Why do I call it a support level? Well, for one thing, the options, since they're in 50-cent or dollar increments, they're going to be on an even dollar or 50 cents. So those are going to be built-in support levels. Also, other people who do limit orders often choose the round dollars to be in the strike price. So now my web page is not that up to date, of course. I get my information comes directly from the Yahoo site. And then I take that information and plug it into my spreadsheet in terms of market price here in order to see whether or not it's the options are in the money or out of the money. So if it's out of the money, it means I'm not going to get the option called or exercised. But as you could see from that last chart, HBI is 703. So I'll have those 12 contracts called away. And that's fine because I'm going to have another 100 shares put on me at $8 strike. Okay. That's pretty much it. So I'm going to end it at this point. There will be more later. Have a good day.